Even the workers are watched, every second. Some cameras don't record. They monitor.
Windows don't exist here.
And the location. Hidden from Google Maps.
Phones are banned inside.
Once you enter, you don't wander freely. No public tours. No visitors.
Every mistake is recorded.
Armed guards patrol day and night.
Access is restricted, even for staff.
Wrong clearance? You're removed immediately.
Some doors never open twice.
And nobody asks questions.
Inside, machines never stop.
Humans are optional here.
Some rooms have no labels. Some areas don't officially exist.
Workers aren't told the full picture.
Shifts happen at strange hours. Some workers disappear after shifts.
Silence is part of the rule.
No one talks about it.
So what's made here?
Something Parathoughter.
Something controlled.
Something never shown to the public.
That's why security is extreme.
And leaks are impossible.
No photos. No evidence.
Even satellites look away.
This place wasn't hidden by accident.
Even satellites look away.
It was designed this way.
For control.
For power.
For secrecy. And for a reason they never explain.
That's why That's why the doors stay closed.
Is why you will never be allowed inside this factory.